So you ever create an amazing YouTube video and guess what? Nobody watches it. It's happened to the best of us. Good news is in this video, I'm going to be telling you exactly how I got you to watch this video. And I'm going to get into it right after this. If it's your first time to the channel, welcome guys. I am bringing you all of my secrets. So hit that like and subscribe button if you want to be the first to know what top producing agents are doing to stay on top. So again, guys, today I'm going to be talking about how to get your YouTube videos seen, because I know I've been there. I mean, I'm still there. Sometimes these videos go nowhere, but I have minimized that. And I've been picking up subscribers and I've been getting comments, and it's just been like amazing. I even got a buyer from my other YouTube channel, and I want you guys to have the same exact success. So in today's video, I'm going to take you guys inside my computer and I'm going to teach you guys what I'm doing to optimize my videos, because YouTube is a search engine, guys. It's not Instagram, right? So SEO, search engine optimization, matters. Okay, stick with me guys. I'm gonna take you guys out my computer and then go back into the office, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what to do with your videos so that they get seen.
All right. Here we go, guys. So welcome to my computer. And today we're going to be, again, talking about how to get your video seen by more buyers. I mean, you went through all the trouble of creating the content. Let's make sure that somebody sees the content. So where we're at right now, we're in one of my YouTube videos that I'm going to release hopefully tonight or early tomorrow. YouTube is different from Instagram and all the other social media because YouTube is more of a search engine. So with that being said, SEO matters. So you have to optimize every video, every part, like even the title, like everything needs to be catchy. Like the biggest things about your YouTube needs to be your thumbnail, but also your title and your SEO description, your SEO optimization, because we need people to see it. So this video is going to be about burnout. So I'm using a program called TubeBuddy. And if you want more information, I'm going to show you this. Want more information on TubeBuddy, I'm going to drop a link below to TubeBuddy. So hopefully this tutorial will help you, but this is how I use TubeBuddy to get my videos seen. And I have a relatively small channel. Like in the last month, I've grown probably about 100 subscribers, and it's because I'm using TubeBuddy, okay? So and that's just going to continue to ramp up as my videos and everything get better, okay? I'm going to go here, and I need to figure out my title. So my title is Why I Almost Quit Selling Real Estate. Try that. Let's see. So I'm looking for a score. Boom, first try. I'm looking for a score of 100, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this, but also what I can do is I can look at results, and I can look at what some of the other people's thumbnails look like. And I can get an idea of what I need to change if I want to rank, okay? Because look at this. This guy, at the time I almost quit real estate. I may want to change my title, but I'm going to run with what I have right now, okay? So why I almost quit selling real estate. So that's what I'm going to go with. I'm going to take that, copy, I'm going to pop it into my video. Paste. All right, so that's what I'm going to run with. $2023. So I got that done. Okay, so that's the first part. Now, the second part is the description. I've already done that. And now I'm going to run it through what's called SEO Studio. So I'm going to pop open again. Let me grab that title again. I'm going to grab the title. And then I'm going to pop open SEO Studio. So TubeBuddy is a plugin for Chrome. So it's a Chrome plugin, and it pops up and it helps you optimize every video. Basically integrates with your with your YouTube. And this is a must. Okay, so right now it's saying I'm a 90. All right, I'm trying to get this thing to 100. So what can I do to get this thing to 100? It'll typically tell me as I go. Right now I'm 100%. Okay. What I found sometimes is if I copy my whole title and drop it at the beginning of my videos, it helps sometimes. Let's see if that does anything. Nothing, because I'm already good there. So let me go next. Let me see what else. Here we go. It's saying, so I don't have any tags. So it basically picks out some top tags. And let's say I want to pick by score. And it picks out some of the top tags. So I'm just going to add to tag limit and see what happens right there. So that got me to 95%. And then it says include your exact target keywords as the first tag. Let me do that. Just put add now. And let me just get rid of something because I only have a 5. So that got me to 100. That got me to 100, guys. And now what it does is it puts my thumbnail against all the others that are ranked. And I think mine isn't that bad. I think it's up there with other people's. Look, I know Rosemary. Loida. That's my girl Chauncey. All right, so I think I'm fine. So then I just hit next, and then I apply the video. And now, guys, my video is optimized. So I can go to YouTube and watch my video. Boom, you see that? SEO score 100. So guys, you have to use this if you're going to be producing YouTube content, because there's nothing worse than shooting a whole video and nobody seeing it. So I hope that you are able to, I hope this was enough to kind of get you going. It's pretty simple. Just comment below if I need to make more videos and more tutorials on how to use TubeBuddy, but super powerful. It's going to juice your videos and make sure they get out. So if you haven't been doing this, good news is you can go back to all your old videos and you can do the same process and you can optimize all of your old videos and get them going. So don't delete them. Just make sure you come in here, optimize them to get them going. So appreciate you guys again for tuning in. Do me a favor, go ahead and drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Definitely trying to bring you guys value. I just got to know what you want. So let me know what you guys want. Let me know if this was valuable in the comments, and keep crushing it, guys.